Last year's government shutdown and President Trump's criticism of economic data put a spotlight on how the government collects job figures. Scripps News Group's Stephanie Liebergen takes a look at a recent change of the Bureau of Labor Statistics that they made to the way it calculates its monthly jobs data, as the next jobs report is due out tomorrow.
When the Bureau of Labor Statistics releases its monthly jobs report,
jobs report hitting the wires.
Markets move, politicians react, and the White House often claims credit or assigns blame. Recently, the formula behind the headline-making number changed. Starting in January, the Bureau changed how it analyzes the raw data with what it calls the birth-death model. The model is designed to estimate jobs created by new businesses and jobs lost when companies close before those changes show up in official records. Economist Diane Swonk.
In order to get the data out quickly, they make assumptions about the pace at which new businesses are being formed, births, and new businesses are actually failing, deaths.
Because new job gains and losses aren't immediately measured, the monthly report relies on estimates, and that's why the government makes revisions months after the numbers are originally reported. The new formula for the birth-death model is designed to limit that.
What it's doing is assuming a much lower rate of new firm births and a higher rate of new firm deaths, because that's what actually happened.
That should lead to more accurate figures and less drastic revisions, says Bureau of Labor Statistics economist John Stewart.
It should lower the error in our monthly estimates of the over-the-month change, such that our annual revisions will become smaller.
But data experts like Eric Packman say the monthly report is still far from perfect.
This is a model. Non-farm payroll is a model. All models have error. It's good, but it's not perfect.
Ultimately, economists say the monthly data should be looked at like a baseline, not the definitive bottom line.
The goal is to get as accurate as possible, as timely as possible, but in some cases we find when the world shifts dramatically and we're standing on fault lines a lot these days, that ends up sort of wreaking havoc on some of the data and some of the revisions.
The February jobs report comes out Friday morning. In January, it showed the country added about 130,000 jobs. Analysts are expecting the February report to show the country added about 60,000 jobs. That's according to a survey from Bloomberg. Stephanie Liebergen, Scripps News Group.